Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. This project, we will be rewicking a Zippo Slim insert. It's already been cleaned out. The old wick and wadding, flint spring screw, all that has already been removed, and we have it prepared to rewick. We have the copper braided wick that we're going to twist up tight on the end here and slide through the hole in the chimney of this Zippo Slim insert. Sometimes you may have to cut it down into a taper a little bit. This one, we were able just to twist it up and slide it on, spinning it ever so slightly as you apply pressure. It just went right on in there. Go ahead and hold your wick in position there so it doesn't move as you are positioning or repacking the wadding into the lighter. You want to stuff that wadding back in there, interspersing the wick as you go. It's going to be packed very densely to hold fuel, and also you want to make sure and take the wick around the other side of the flint tube there inside the insert, and that will allow you to intersperse it evenly and get you that capillary effect that you need as the fluid reaches up to the upper portions of that wick. So as I said, we're going to get this packed in here real tight. You can use cotton balls. Rayon is what came in the lighters, what I believe still comes in Zippos. You know, those old Evans lighters had sawdust in them. I've used discarded women's underwear. I wouldn't have used my own. But pretty much anything that you can pack in there tightly. Foam, some of them have foam inserts, but cotton works just fine. Cotton balls typically, I don't remember where I got this from. Could have been a bottle of vitamins. So I just go ahead and tear that off right there. Pack that in tightly around itself. This insert had been, somebody had used kerosene or something in it, and it just wouldn't burn right, even after I'd cleaned it out once, so I cleaned it out again. May have gotten in a bit of a hurry the first time. I'm not sure, it was so long ago. I did it last night, and doesn't feel like there's any kind of residue on it, and I'm hoping that it'll light right up. Get the flint back in there. Spring screw, flint spring screw tighten back down. Make sure you're not going to twist up any of that cotton in there as you go. So it's sparking good. We'll get it filled up here and see how it goes. Position your wick back where you want it, away from the file wheel. I usually put it right, I like to kind of have it right in the middle. And look at that, for once I didn't overfill it. It's a rarity. There we go. You know, when you refuel one, rewick one like this, or it's just run out of fuel, and then you have to refill it, if it doesn't immediately, if it sparks and it's not wanting to light, usually you need to blow on it, let that fuel, let some oxygen get mixed in that wick in the chimney there with the fuel, and then it'll light up. So yeah, that's lighting up no problem. If you like these sort of instructional videos for old lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, then please subscribe to the channel. Like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button, send it off in an email, text, however it is that you communicate with people these days. Also, Dependable Flame, dependableflame.com on social media, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and of course eBay. Until next time.